I'm going to show you how to make $100 easily by building this 2x4 bench. Let's do it. You already know the first thing to do. Let's throw on them safety glasses. Next thing we're going to do, grab our tape, measure out to 18 inches. Grab your speed square. And let's head to the miter saw. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and make our first cut. Now, by using your first cut, you're going to use that as your template. Get it flush, make a mark, and you're going to cut 3 more of them out, so you have a total of 4 pieces at 18 inches. Alright guys, so now that we got our 4 pieces cut at 18 inches, this is how it's going to go. So we're going to go ahead and cut another 4 out so we can make a little square like that on each side. And you're going to have 1 right here. So we're going to need 4 more at 18 inches. We're going to go ahead and cut those out. Alright guys, so now that we got 8 of our 18 pieces cut out, we're going to take these, and what you're going to do is take them, and you're going to send a couple screws here and a couple screws there. Alright guys, so after you get this sunk in, couple screws here and there, you're going to do the same thing with another piece just like that. I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all it's easier if you put it down on the table like this, and then also go ahead and get your screws started before you put it up to the piece to screw it in. Little tip there. Alright guys, so after that you're left with a nice square or rectangle. You're going to do the same thing with your other 2x4s. Make the same rectangle. Alright guys, so after you got your 2 little square rectangles completed, you're going to take your measurement from really however long you want your bench to be. So I'm going to say ours, let me see here. That's 3 feet. Probably, we're going to do 3 feet. We're going to make a little small bench here. So we're going to do 3 feet. You can make it as big as you want to. Probably could sell for a little more depending on the size you make. You can make a couple of these, put them between it. I mean, heck, you can make a 9-foot bench if you want to. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 3 feet. So let me grab another 2x4. All right, guys. So I was over there in my scrap pile and actually had these 2x4s laying around. They're actually 3 feet, which is crazy. So we only need to cut 1 more. So we're just going to measure out 3 feet. Give us a good measurement. Speed square that bad boy. And Lego make our cut. Alright guys, so we got our 4 3-foot pieces right here cut, which, like I said, I had 3 already from the slingshot build. If you have not seen that video, like I said, we're posting every Wednesday now. It's going to be something different. Go check out my Wednesday video. I think you'll love it. We built a huge slingshot. So let's get ready to put this thing together. Alright guys, we're going to start putting our boards on. Take you one of them, throw it up. Throw that bad boy up here. Try to get her flush. Get it real flush if you can. Then you're going to send you a screw. Just like that. Then you're going to line her up again on this side. You're going to send another screw. Make sure you sink your screws a little bit more. We're going to add the next piece. What I meant by the next piece, I meant the next side. Go ahead and tack down that next side. front one on. All right, guys, so we actually cut us an additional 3-foot section. Instead of leaving a gap, we're gonna leave a little small gap on these. And we're gonna go ahead and get everything lined up before we sink some screws. Alright guys, so the construction of our bench is now complete. And trust me, she's sturdy like always. I'm telling you, you got a nice wide seat, plenty of room, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful. Nice little bench pull on the porch or something. She's sturdy, but now it's time to make her pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and sand her up a little bit, get her sanded up to 220. And we're gonna throw a little bit of stain on it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got our bench sanded up to 220. So now we're going to go ahead and put on this red oak stain. Probably just show you a little bit of clips because I know that can get boring. So we're going to throw the stain on and we'll come back to you when it's all on. Alright guys, it's that time now. We got our bench nice and stained and finished. All out of 2x4's. Can't get much easier than that. Like I said, big profit margin here. Make all that munyon. Let me know how much munyon you make off the bench. I'm going to sell it for $100. But other than that, we appreciate everybody for watching. If you're interested in some merch, we got some She Sturdy shirts, hoodies, mugs. I believe all of that coming out. The link might already be in the description of this video. If so, go and check it out. You know, show a little bit of support if you want to. We appreciate it. We love all y'all. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.